This is the unboxing of the Xiaomi S200 Electric Shaver. It has a 60-minute long battery life, a balance, pressure and speed. It's IPX7 waterproof, has a magnetic suction shaving head, double ring mesh for a clean shave, and smart sensor activation. It's made by Xiaomi Communications. Yeah, they don't only make phones, but they also make other electronic goods. And it uses 3 watt. Its charging voltage is 5 volt, 1 ampere. Dimensions 56 times 63 times 27 millimeter. The package contents are the shaver, storage bag, cleaning brush, user manual, Type-C charging cable, and warranty notice. I got this package slightly damaged and opened on both sides, so I don't know if it was already open by the shop or the sender. But anyway, it was already open, so I don't know why it's really small, it's tiny. This is the shaver, and it has a good weight to it, so it feels premium. Just the packaging, it doesn't look very premium. It's just it just looks like this because of the shipping, but they could have taken a bit better care of the products. And so this is the cable and the warranty. It's quite a thick book because it's in multiple languages. So here you see the different types of. It also has a user manual, so the shaver will automatically start as soon as the shaving head touches the skin and end in 1 second after being removed. So there's no on and off button, you just push it against the skin and it will start. Apply gentle pressure, move slowly in circular motions on your face to shave. You can get a clean result without having to shave the same area repeatedly. So during the first few shaves, it's normal that the skin is slightly irritated. It is recommended to use the shaver regularly for 3 weeks, at least 3 times a week, to allow the skin to quickly adapt. To recharge the shaver, connect the USB port of the charging cable to the charger, then plug the Type-C port of the charging cable into the shaver charging port. The indicator will breathe when charging. Once it's fully charged, the indicator will remain on. So it will take 60 minutes to fully charge, and then it can be used for 60 minutes on one charge. To maintain the performance, please clean it after each use, after the shaver is turned on. If the indicator blinks 4 times then goes off, it means there's too much stubble stuck inside the shaver, which affects normal operation. And you can rinse it with water, so it's like waterproof. And you should replace the shaving head every 6 months. Okay, so it comes in a pouch. It looks almost like a Apple AirPod. So at least it's new. At least the one who opened the box didn't use it beforehand. So that's a good sign. So this is how it looks like. It really looks like the size of a AirPod earbuds. And they have color in white, but this one is the dark gray, I would say, or gunmetal gray. And the bottom you see the USB-C charging port. I'm almost certain this will get, everybody will lose this and then it won't be waterproof anymore. They could have like used the one, like make an attachment to the case so that it's not going to fly off or get lost. So yeah, so to turn it on, you just have to push it against your skin, I suppose. Oh yeah, it has. Yeah. And to charge it, you just use a USB-C cable. You have to open the bottom. Then you can see it's charging. So it's like glowing. It glows brighter and less bright. And I like that they give a transport part, so you can, there's no cover for this, but you have the transport part. So, and it's fairly quiet, so it's not that noisy. So that was the unboxing of the Xiaomi S200 electric shaver. It looks a bit uneven, but that might be an optical illusion. Yeah, it does work, but wait. Oh yeah, so it has a magnetic opening, so yeah, that's how it looks like. So I guess this can be replaced. You probably can purchase this separately every 6 months. I suppose this is waterproof, so you can clean it with not included brush. Oh yeah, it really clicks together. It's really magnetic. But oh yeah, the brush is probably in here. We didn't open that yet. So this is the brush and this is the USB-C cable. If you like this unboxing, make sure to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one.